this one. Look at this.
Wow, it's a box, huh? You need help opening it? Oh. Oh, you got it. What's in there?
Look at that.
Ooh, is that pretty? Wow. Oh. Can you get it and bring it to mommy?
Rowan.
Can you go get your, what is that? Can you go get your sweater? Okay.